Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor with Coinbase. Trezor is a hardware wallet designed to keep your cryptocurrency secure offline, while Coinbase is a popular platform for buying and selling digital assets. While they don't directly integrate for trading, you can use them together to enhance the security of your holdings. We'll cover the steps to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to your Trezor device for safekeeping. Before you begin, make sure your Trezor device is fully set up and running the latest firmware. It's crucial to have your recovery seed backed up in a safe, private location, as this is your ultimate safeguard. Also, ensure you have your Trezor PIN readily available. Connect your Trezor to your computer using its USB cable and open the Trezor Suite application. It's important to understand that Coinbase does not offer direct integration for trading with Trezor. Instead, you'll be transferring your cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account to your Trezor hardware wallet. First, open your Trezor Suite and locate the receiving address for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Then, go to your Coinbase account and initiate a withdrawal to that exact Trezor address. When transferring funds, always double-check the receiving address on your Trezor to prevent errors. For significant amounts, consider sending a small test transaction first to ensure everything works correctly. Your Trezor recovery seed is paramount. Keep it private and secure, never sharing it or storing it digitally. Regularly review your transaction history on both Coinbase and Trezor Suite for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.